Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix high ping issue on Roblox. Now, there are a few solutions that I'm going to show you today. So the first solution is just simply cut off all the applications and services that is consuming your network. So let me explain. Just simply go to your task manager. So right click on your start menu, click on task manager. Now in task manager, you will find a network panel. So the network panel will be right over here. Now click on that option. And as you can see, Roblox and Google Chrome and BitLord is currently the three most network consuming applications. So for example, if I close Google Chrome or BitLord or Epic Games Launcher, the network will be much freer for Roblox. Let's do that. So just simply close them by clicking on end task. Same for the Epic Game Launcher as well. Now after you will do that, more network will be released for Roblox, which will help you to get better ping. Now let me show you the next solution. Now the second solution is just simply try to disable your antivirus, because there are some antivirus that may cause some difficulties for Roblox to run smoothly. So for that, click on your mini bar over here and just simply find your antivirus and just simply turn that off. Now it might be different for different antiviruses, but in general you have to find out how to exactly close the antivirus or just simply pause it. And if you don't have antivirus and you are using the Windows Defender, just simply go there and pause that. Click on virus and thread, manage settings, and real-time protection. Disable that option. Now after that, if you're still facing the issue, let me show you another fix. So for that, what you have to do is just simply open your search menu and type in Windows Firewall. Now open Windows Defender Firewall. Now in here you have to open advanced settings. Now in advanced setting, you have to click on inbound rules and click on new rule. Now over here choose port, click on next. Now choose UDP. Now over here you have to add a code. So for getting the code, go back to your browser and simply type in Roblox general connection problem and open the first link. Now here scroll down. So over here you will find the code. So copy this code and paste it on a firewall over here, and make sure to remove the spaces and add just a simple dash. Now copy this code because we will be needing this, and click on next. Click on allow the connection. Make sure to choose all the options, then next. Then just simply name it inbound Roblox. Now there's no need to add a description. Just simply click on finish. Now do the same for outbound as well. Outbound, new rule, port, next, UDP, paste the code, next, allow all the connection, next, make sure to choose all of them, then add outbound Roblox, then click on finish. And after that, restart your computer and the issue should be fixed. And if you're still facing the issue, just simply try to check the status of your Roblox. So just simply type status Roblox. Now open the first link. Now just simply click on back to current status. Now over here, if you will see that any of them are unoperational, that means there is some server issue, and that's the reason for why Roblox isn't having the best performance. But as you can see right over here, for my system, they are all operational. So in any case, if you have any of them unoperational, so just simply wait for a few minutes and then try opening Roblox again after a few minutes and see whether the issue is fixed or not. So that's it, and thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.